let's talk about the benefit of renting versus owning. With renting, in the first 60 days, you typically have to pay your first month's rent, a deposit, usually pretty close to the same amount of your rent, a last month's rent, and sometimes a pet deposit. When you're buying and you have access to the VA home loan benefit, if you're in a market where you can negotiate to have the seller pay your closing costs, you typically can get in with very little out of your pocket. So there's an earnest money deposit that is required to be deposited as a good faith deposit that you're going to move forward with the transaction. Typically, an earnest money deposit is anywhere between $1,000 and 1% of the purchase price, depending on the market that you're in. If the seller's paying your closing costs, you should typically get this money back at closing. So you can usually get into a purchase with zero down out of your pocket if seller pays closing costs.